Let's start with this sniper action. In Avdiivka, there is a double arrival for the Russians from the Extreme Tourism Company group. A doublet shot by a sniper pair of the special unit of NSU Omega. How Russia thought the Ukraine war would unfold. Fools. And in Kazakhstan, they demanded to reduce the area of military training grounds leased by Russia. Since 1995, the Russian Federation has leased from Kazakhstan military training grounds with an area of more than 21 million acres for a symbolic fee of 70 cents per acre. The area of the landfills is comparable to the area of such states as Azerbaijan or the United Arab Emirates. Instead, the freed land is proposed to be used in agricultural activities. But the main problem here is that the Russian Baikonur Cosmodrome is in Kazakhstan. And if Kazakhstan kick out Russians from Baikonur, they will lose the entire space program, since they don't have another space center. The decline of Russian power is happening in the whole region, and this is direct result of Russian failed invasion of Ukraine. Good job, Comrade Putin. Also in Avdiivka, Ukrainian 53rd Separate Mechanized Brigade burned Russian infantry fighting vehicle. For such a fat goal, even 6 miles are not a problem. The FPV drone of the 72nd Separate Mechanized Brigade is operating. The Russian 240mm self-propelled mortar 2S4 Tulip is on fire. Compilation video from Ukraine's 43rd Artillery Brigade showing German PZH 2000 artillery strikes on Russian tanks, artillery, Montana, 12 BRDM, warehouses, and other targets. the Russian army rolls armored vehicles through Mariupol. This was reported by Petro Andriushchenko, advisor to the mayor of Mariupol. A large replenishment of tracked vehicles through Mariupol in the direction of the Zaporizhzhia region. The intensity is increasing every day, he said. Bakhmut direction. After entering the firing position, the Russian tank never left it. The 30th Separate Mechanized Brigade operates. Russian forces continue to hit Bakhmut with incendiary shells, the second night in a row. These shells cause massive fires that are almost impossible to put out.
Підараси. Нічого. Все буде Україна.
Father and son, Ukrainian defenders meet in Bakhmut. They haven't seen each other for more than 6 months.
Прапор сина зустрів. Спеціально приїхали рядом до двох.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.